Hi, I'm Nivedita Gupta and you are watching Corporate Kaksha, your partner in job search. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss how to get interview calls. So the tips which I'm going to give you today, the best part about it is that this can be applied to any job platform, be it Naukri, Monster, Shine, Indeed or any job platform. And the maximum emphasis I'm going to give today in this video is going to be on Naukri.com because it is India's largest job search platform. So let's begin with our tip number one. My tip number one is to have your profile completed. If you can log into your Naukri profile, you can see there is a tab called Profile Completeness. This you have to strive to make it to 100%. When it is going to be 100%, your profile will be appearing on the top of the search results. So you have to try maximum that you are going to fill in all the details, taking action on all the pending actions and completing your profile 100%. So my tip number two is update your profile. Constantly keep on updating your profile throughout your job search. So when you keep on updating your profile, when your resume appears in the search results of the recruiter, the first thing which a recruiter is going to see is that whether this candidate is an active job seeker or not. So your activity level is going to reflect on bottom of your profile. So when the recruiter is going to see that you have recently updated your profile, so definitely the recruiter is going to show interest and click onto your resume. Try to do this at least 3 times in a week so that your resume, your profile, Naukri profile is fresh and always on top of the search results. My tip number 3 is resume headlines. So friends, see, for everything we do, we want our work to appear on top, whether we are making a YouTube video or whether we are putting an advertisement on some platform or be it anything, whether we are finding a matrimonial partner, we always try to put our profile on top of the search results. Why do we do this? This is because we want to catch the recruiter's attention. Correct. What do you mean by having a catchy resume headline? You cannot have a floral headline with emojis and all that. So you have to what you can do to make it outstanding. You have to have a catchy phrases in your resume headline. It could be that you are an immediate joiner, or it could be that you have that skill and you have so many years of experience on that particular skill. So whichever factor in your job resume is having the maximum weightage, put that in front of the recruiter so that it catches recruiter's attention. The fourth tip is keyword optimizations. See, one thing you have to understand is that whatever tips I'm going to give you is going to help your resume to come out of the database and reflect to the recruiter on the screen. Okay, so you are basically doing a search engine optimization of your resume. You are doing a search optimization. You are optimizing your CV in ways, you are optimizing your Naukri.com profile in certain ways so that it appears on top of, or at least on the first page of recruiters' search results. In whatever job role you are, you have certain skills which you possess while doing this job. So make a list of these keywords. Every job has specific key skills. If you're not sure about what are the key skills respective to your job profile, in that case, just go to Naukri and search jobs which are suitable to you. Just look into that and see what are the common skills which are mentioned in each job description. You need to have maximum keywords which are suitable for this job title mentioned in your key skills section. So basically we are tweaking the artificial intelligence of this software. So the artificial intelligence of Naukri.com, the job of this software is to find out the most suitable resume in the database to the query of the recruiter. So if the recruiter is mentioning sales executive, so the software will look into its database on the parameters which I have already told you, like whether the resume is updated, whether the profile is updated regularly, the profile completeness is 100%. So all these parameters it will check and then give the search results and your resume will appear in the search results. My tip number 5 is once you register yourself on Naukri.com or any other job portal, you ensure that you mention your contact number and email ID, and simultaneously you have to go back and verify this contact number and email ID. If there's going to be any change in your email ID or contact number, you have to ensure that you have updated and verified these contact numbers from respective mobile number and email ID. In case you forget or miss to do this, you may miss to attend these calls and you may lose the opportunity. So now it's the turn for bonus tip. See, I am a recruiter. I have been working for 9 years in this industry, and not many professionals are going to disclose this secret to you. So this is going to come directly from an HR recruiter to you. So what I have seen, what I have observed is that if I download my CV, okay, and delete my CV from Naukri.com profile and then re-upload it, and when I search my CV once again, my CV reflects as a new resume. So a recruiter will tend to give more attention to a new resume rather than the things which he has already seen. So go to your Naukri profile, delete your resume, re-upload your resume and see the magic. So friends, if you like today's video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. We keep bringing such informational videos to you. I am your partner in your job search. Thank you so much for watching and wish you a good luck.